Do you want to know if a price move is strong or weak? Volume is the key. And in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add volume to your TradingView charts and explain why it's essential for smarter trading decisions. Let's get started by going to your TradingView charts, go to the upper side, and find indicators. Click the icon. In the search bar, go and type in volume. If you notice, there are different types of volume and for different purpose as well. I will be explaining those on a separate video, so hit the notification bell for more TradingView tips and watch out for that. Now, let's go and choose volume for now. Make sure that you add it to your favorite so that you don't have to type it in next time. Click volume, and if you notice, it has been added on the right side here as VOL or vol. Now, you can also notice that the bars here below has been added. This shows volume. Volume shows the number of trades happening in the market. High volume confirms strong price moves, while low volume signals weak trends. Adding volume to your chart helps you avoid false breakouts and trade with more confidence. Now you know how to add and use volume in TradingView. Start applying it to your own charts and let me know in the comments how you use volume in your trades. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more TradingView tips. See you in the next one.